Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny. This is the market video for the week of May 19th, 2014. Let's take a look at what happened last week in the market. We pushed up to a new high on the Dow and S&P 500. Went a little bit higher on Tuesday and then pulled back Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, we formed a pause day. So we held the 50-day moving average, and that is a good sign still. I mean, we did hit another new high, but we couldn't hold it, and we certainly didn't start another leg off of it. So the Dow, you can see the same thing. Dow actually got hit a little bit harder on the pullback, held the 50-day moving average also. The Qs broke out of their consolidation and the 50-day moving average, then came back, and you can see closed right above its 50-day right here. Here's the Russell trying to get a bounce, and the mid-caps also trying to get a bounce, but they're kind of lame. You know, the Russell's been lagging now for a bit. It doesn't need to lead, but what I like to see is, I'd like to see the Russell and the NASDAQ lead, but if not, I'd like to see at least one of them lead, and right now we have none of them leading, so not really happy here that the Dow and, I mean, the S&P, I guess it's okay if it's leading, but, I mean, the NASDAQ and the Russell, they're just not showing the kind of strength I want to see for a sustained move. Now, this doesn't mean that, okay, I'm just looking to get short here. Sorry, that's really dangerous, especially in an uptrend. But what I am going to be watching is if we do get a retest of this high and we diverge up here, even if we break the high, but if we form a divergence or we come up short, no pun intended, of the previous high, then I'm going to be watching for a potential shorting opportunity for more than just these little corrections, or even more than something like this. I don't think we're putting in a top. I don't think a big bear market is going to be coming here. I mean, maybe it will, but you know, a bear market starts with a pullback and then moves to a correction, and then it morphs into a bear market. So I think it's way too early. The market has been in a very strong uptrend. I know a lot of people have tried to pick tops the whole way up, the super gurus that sell the expensive short sale lists, and they've just been getting wiped out over and over and over again. And I mean, from here, you know, I think that we're going to, like I said, at least test this. So I think once the bears give it up and they start with the just got to keep buying pullbacks until proven otherwise, which, you know, is just a nonsensical saying. Of course, that's what you have to do. It's called following the trend. But once the bears start giving way, that's when I really think that we could get a deeper correction, because like these super gurus and know-it-alls, I don't mean to bash these people, but when they just blatantly lie and cover up what they've said, and when it's, you know, really led to getting people crushed, you know, they're always wrong. They're always behind the curve. I should say they're always wrong. They get it right once in a long while, but they're usually really behind the curve, even though they're acting like they're in front of it. So to me, I just like to look at the charts, and I'm not a top picker. I'm not a bottom picker. All I try to do is stick with the trend. So like I said, we'll see what sets up from here. We'll see if something forms here that gives us an opportunity to perhaps trade a pullback or a correction, and then see where it goes from there, okay? Sunday night, we have the strategy session, Paul Schatz and I, where we go over the major indexes, sectors, stocks, futures, currencies, and we answer your questions. It's 100% free. I will put the link below. Also, if you'd like to get on the daily email list, you can go to the website, sign up there. That's free as well, okay? Any questions, you can write to me at tiny@stockmarkettrendsx.com. Hope this helps. I will talk to you in next week's video.